Hey everyone, welcome back to our Practice Speaking English series.
Today, we've got a really meaningful topic. Work for money versus work for passion.
This one's perfect for practicing how to express opinions, agree and disagree politely, and talk about life choices in natural English.
Exactly. You'll learn how to share your perspective on career, happiness, and success, all while speaking fluently.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends who are also learning English.
And tell us in the comments, do you work for money or for passion?
All right, let's dive right in. Hey Ryan, I've been thinking about something lately. Do you think people should work for money or for passion?
That's a powerful question, Emma. Honestly, I think it depends on what stage of life you're in and what responsibilities you have.
That's true, but I feel like too many people choose jobs only because of the paycheck.
Yeah, and many of them end up feeling trapped, counting days instead of enjoying their work.
Exactly, I've met people who earn a lot but feel miserable every Monday.
Same here. I believe money can't make up for the emptiness of doing something you don't love.
That's so true, but passion doesn't always pay the bills, right?
You're right, passion feels amazing, but without financial stability, it's hard to survive or stay motivated.
So do you think it's possible to find a job that gives both money and fulfillment?
It's rare, but yes, if you work hard and keep improving, you can align passion with income.
I hope so, because I've seen so many people sacrifice happiness for stability.
I know, society often teaches us to value salary more than satisfaction.
That's so true. My parents always told me to find a safe job, not one I love.
Same here. I think older generations believed security was the only path to success.
But things are different now. People care about mental health and personal growth.
Yes, the new generation wants meaning, not just money.
Do you think it's risky to follow your passion?
Of course it is, but every dream involves risk. Without risk, there's no real reward.
That's brave. Have you ever taken a job only for money?
Yes, right after college. I joined a corporate job that paid well but drained my soul.
Oh no, what happened?
I lasted only 1 year. I couldn't stand doing something that felt meaningless.
That must have been tough. So what did you do afterward?
I left and started working in education. It paid less, but I felt alive again.
Wow, that's inspiring. It takes courage to walk away from stability.
It does, but the peace of mind was worth every dollar I lost.
That's powerful. I think people often stay in jobs they hate because they fear uncertainty.
Exactly. Fear of the unknown is stronger than the desire for change.
So true, but at some point you have to ask yourself, is comfort really happiness?
Exactly. A comfortable life isn't always a meaningful one.
Have you ever regretted leaving that high-paying job?
Not once. I may earn less, but I've gained freedom and joy.
That's amazing. I wish more people thought like that.
I think people will, once they realize that money doesn't buy passion.
So what motivates you the most in your current work?
Seeing real impact, knowing that my effort helps others grow.
That's beautiful. Purpose gives life more meaning than salary ever could.
Exactly. Passion adds emotional value to your work.
But Ryan, don't you think passion alone isn't enough for everyone?
True. Passion without planning can lead to struggle. You need strategy too.
So passion should come with practicality.
Exactly. Dream big, but plan smart.
That's great advice. Do you think everyone has a passion?
I think everyone has something they love, but not everyone takes time to find it.
That's true. We often get so busy surviving that we forget to dream.
Yes, sometimes we need to pause and listen to ourselves.
Have you ever helped someone find their passion?
Actually, yes. I mentored a student who wanted to quit engineering to study music. Now he teaches and performs full-time.
That's incredible. So following your heart can work out.
Definitely, if you're willing to put in consistent effort.
I think people confuse passion with talent sometimes.
True. Passion is what keeps you going. Talent just makes it easier.
Well said. Passion makes effort enjoyable.
Exactly. It turns work into purpose.
Do you think money can still bring happiness in some way?
Sure, it brings comfort and freedom, which reduce stress.
That's true. But comfort without joy eventually feels empty.
Exactly. Comfort feeds the body, but passion feeds the soul.
Wow, that's deep. You should write a book about this.
Haha, maybe someday. Passion is my favorite topic.
What's your biggest advice to someone stuck in a boring but stable job?
I'd say, start exploring what excites you after work. Build it slowly into something bigger.
So they can transition gradually without risk.
Exactly. Balance security with exploration.
I like that. You don't have to quit everything right away.
Yes, change doesn't need to be dramatic, just consistent.
Have you ever met someone who regrets following passion?
Rarely. Most regret not trying, not the attempt itself.
That's so true. Regret often comes from inaction.
Exactly. Fear stops more dreams than failure ever could.
Do you think money-driven jobs are bad?
Not at all. They're practical, but they shouldn't define your worth.
Right, money should serve you, not control you.
Perfectly said.
Would you say passion makes you work harder?
Yes, because you're emotionally invested. It's personal.
That's why passionate people often succeed even in tough times.
Exactly. Their motivation doesn't rely on rewards.
Do you think everyone should love their job?
Ideally, yes, but realistically, no. Sometimes you work to live.
True, but even then you can find small joys in what you do.
Yes, gratitude transforms even ordinary work.
That's such a great perspective.
Thanks, I learned it the hard way.
What's your biggest fear? Losing money or losing passion?
Definitely losing passion. Without it, even success feels empty.
That's powerful. For me, passion gives me purpose every day.
That's what keeps you shining, Emma.
Thanks, Ryan. Do you think passion changes with age?
Yes, it evolves. What excites you at 20 might differ at 40, and that's okay.
That's comforting. Passion doesn't have to stay the same.
Exactly. It grows as you grow.
How do you keep your passion alive?
I keep learning, exploring, and reminding myself why I started.
That's beautiful. Reflection keeps passion strong.
Absolutely. Purpose needs nourishment like everything else.
Have you ever been criticized for following your passion?
Many times, people said it was impractical, but I proved them wrong.
That's inspiring. It takes courage to stand by your dream.
Yes, courage separates dreamers from doers.
Do you think money-driven people can still be happy?
Sure, if they use money for meaningful goals, not just status.
That's wise. Money is just a tool, not the purpose.
Exactly. The heart defines happiness, not the wallet.
Have you ever struggled financially after following your passion?
Yes, at the beginning, but I learned to manage better and stay patient.
That's the hard part, staying calm when things are slow.
True, but struggle teaches strength.
So, challenges make passion stronger.
Exactly. Every obstacle builds resilience.
What keeps you going when things get tough?
The belief that I'm building something meaningful, not just chasing money.
That's powerful motivation.
Yes, meaning lasts longer than money.
I love that. Have you ever considered combining both passion and a side hustle?
I have. That way you get the best of both worlds, stability and joy.
That's smart. Balance gives freedom.
Exactly. Flexibility is the new success.
Do you think people judge others for choosing passion?
Often, yes, but judgment fades when results appear.
True, success silences doubt.
Exactly.
I think passion attracts opportunities too.
Absolutely. When you're passionate, people notice your energy.
That's so true. Enthusiasm is magnetic.
Yes, passion sells itself better than any resume.
Do you think passion can change society?
Definitely. Passionate people invent, create, and inspire progress.
So passion drives innovation.
Exactly. Every great idea starts with someone who cared deeply.
What about money? Does it drive progress too?
Yes, money funds dreams. Passion imagines them. Money builds them.
That's a great way to see it.
Thanks, both need each other.
If you had unlimited money, would you still work?
Of course, I'd still teach and create, just without stress.
That proves it. You're driven by passion, not need.
Exactly. Passion is who I am, not what I do.
That's inspiring, Ryan.
Thank you, Emma.
Thank you, Emma.
Absolutely. Being around passionate people makes you want to dream too.
I feel that right now.
Ha ha. See, passion spreads faster than any trend.
How do you stay motivated when passion feels hard?
I remind myself why I started and how far I've come.
Reflection keeps passion alive.
Exactly. Gratitude fuels consistency.
I like that. Gratitude and passion go hand in hand.
Yes, one appreciates, the other creates.
If money weren't a problem, what would you do?
I travel the world teaching life skills and communication.
That's beautiful. You'd be amazing at that.
Thank you, Emma. What about you?
I'd open a creative studio to help young artists find their path.
That sounds incredible. See, passion inspires dreams.
It really does. Money feels small compared to purpose.
Purpose makes life worth living.
Sometimes I think passion is life's real currency.
Wow, I love that. The richest people are those who love what they do.
Exactly. Passion multiplies happiness.
Yes, and it gives back to the world too.
Do you think passion can change your health?
Definitely. Passion reduces stress and boosts energy.
So, passion isn't just emotional, it's physical too.
Exactly. Body and mind both thrive when you love your work.
That's powerful. Passion heals in many ways.
It really does.
Would you ever go back to a money-only job?
Never. I've learned peace is worth more than a paycheck.
That's brave. Some people never make that choice.
It's never too late to change. Passion can start anytime.
That's hopeful. You make it sound possible for everyone.
It is. All it takes is honesty with yourself.
So the real question isn't money or passion, it's meaning or comfort.
Exactly. And meaning always wins in the long run.
You've really changed my perspective today.
I'm glad, Emma. Conversations like this remind me why I love teaching.
Passion in action.
You got it.
Do you think one day passion jobs will be more respected?
I think we're already moving that way. Creativity is becoming valuable again.
That's encouraging.
Yes, the world needs dreamers as much as earners.
I love that balance.
Me too. Balance keeps everything sustainable.
So in your words, passion is purpose and money is support.
Exactly. Passion drives, money maintains.
Exactly. Passion drive, perfect definition. East. Money maintains.
Thanks. I'll put it on a t-shirt someday.
I'd buy it.
Then passion already paid off.
So, what's your final advice for everyone listening?
Don't choose between passion and money. Build both with patience and purpose.
Beautifully said.
Thank you, Emma.
And for everyone watching, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more conversations like this.
And leave a comment telling us, what do you work for, money or passion?
Thanks for joining us today, everyone. Keep following your dreams, stay inspired, and keep practicing your English.
See you next time. And remember, passion makes work feel like joy.